Unboxing will be shown in the end, so don't skip the video. The car is ready for hill climbing, and the controller should be on, and the switches of the car should be on. Whoa, what a sound! This looks like an original sound of a car. Here, this is our RC car. It's called as a Drift King. Toy is done by DSR Toys. The car size is 4 into 4 car, and the radio control system into 2.4 gigahertz, left or right rotation, universal wheel, which means type of tires. Shock absorbs, which is like this. The car is for 8 plus ages. The name of the car is Drift King, and nothing to show in the side of the box. On this RC car we got this remote, and another model this remote. It needs 5 volt AA batteries, which is not included, and charger are included, and battery 500 mAh batteries are included. And here is our car. Let's open the box. This is a remote control to be read. So here is the box, and this is a remote controller with advanced technologies, but the build quality is very bad. Take a look. You need 2A batteries, and here is our car. The batteries, this box, and the batteries with 500 mAh battery, 7.4 volts. I hope you can see it. Okay. Then the charger without adapter. We need a mobile adapter for charging. And here is our car. Uh, Now the battery is charged. Yes. Now we have finished the settings. Only this much items are available with this product. I hope you like this video. So please subscribe our channel for more interesting videos. Thank you for watching.